What's up, YouTube? Man, I hate long videos, so I'm gonna get right to the point. This is the IEC 255 relay, and so I got this to work with the float switch. This is my 12 volt off the positive on the battery. I hooked it up to position number 8. Position number 8. I then bridged the 12 volt power over here to connection number 5. As you can see, 1, 3, 5. So I connected it to 5. On the other side, I have my pump, which is connected to spot 3. Spot 3 is connected to the pump. And here is the pump. Pause the wire. That's the pump. I just had to grab a pump. And here is the float switch. And that is connected to my negative side from spot 7 to the pump. To the float switch. Back to the negative wire. Remember, that's my positive. This is my negative. And basically, when this switch, when the float switch goes up, it turns on. Oh, it's daylight. You can't see it. It turns on the relay. When the relay turns on, it activates the pump. So in other words, when this gets up to the top, the relay turns on and it turns on the pump. The pump is not running right now because I disconnected the negative wire off the pump. But if I add the negative wire here, so I just pitched that one here, you see that when this float goes up, and now this container won't overflow because when I'm gonna install the float in the top of this container. But when the float goes up, the pump turns on. It's activated by the relay, and I put it on the negative side. But that completes the circuit. So once again, positive battery. From the battery, positive, the number 8. Positive battery, the number 8. Bridge that from number 8 to number 5. That brings you 12 volts through the relay out of number 3, which is my pump. The negative to the pump goes to the negative of the battery or the ground. And the negative, or actually the switch, so it's the positive and negative on the float switch. But that's in between the relay, so that's in spot number 7. Spot number 7. And the other side goes to the ground or the negative on the battery too. And of course, if you want this float to be reversed, just take off the clip, flip it over, flip the bubble upside down, and it'll work the opposite way. I was so frustrated. Hope this helps somebody. Peace.